Hello and welcome to another full beam tutorial. In this session, I'm going to show how I used a Pyle PDA29BU amplifier, enabling me to connect traditional audio speakers to my computer. Long ago, my computer audio system was a Logitech 5.1 speaker array, similar, at least in function, to the Z906 5.1 surround sound speaker system. When that unit stopped working, I still left the speakers in place, even though I didn't have any way to drive them. They previously connected to the Logitech controller via traditional audio spring connectors. One set of connectors looks like this. With the Logitech speaker controller dead, I didn't have any way to power the speakers. Instead, my computer audio came by connecting either USB or Bluetooth speakers or using the speakers built into my monitor. Unsatisfied, I reasoned that I should be able to power the speakers from an unused stereo amplifier, but I couldn't figure out how to connect that amplifier to my computer. Then I discovered the Pyle PDA29BU wireless stereo audio amplifier. In reviewing the specs, it seemed like it should work for my intended application. It had plenty of power, and it was able to connect to my speakers via Bluetooth. And at a price of $41.67, I was certainly willing to take a risk. What you see on the screen now is a front and back view of the Pyle unit. As you can see, it has treble and bass controls, dual inputs for microphone, and you can switch from one mode to another by pressing the mode button. On the back, it has inputs for a single set of speakers. Granted, the Pyle amplifier only gave me stereo, not 5.1 audio, but the sound would still be better than that from any other sound output that I had. So I ordered the unit and received it 2 days later. The setup was simple. I attached one pair of speakers to the spring terminals, turned the unit on, changed the mode to Bluetooth, and selected Pyle USA as my sound out. I then opened an audio file. It played immediately over the left and right channels of one speaker pair. The sound quality was clear and the volume ranged from muted to loud without distortion. I've yet to explore all of the features of the unit, but I've been very impressed so far with its capabilities. So that's it, my brief review of the Pyle stereo amplifier, which I used to connect traditional speakers to my computer. I hope you found this tutorial to be informative. Thank you for watching.